Hi, and welcome to Com 512-617, Communication and Diversity in the Workplace. It's Dr. Spates giving you your weekly checklist. I'm using these videos as a way to connect with you and also let you know what it's due for the upcoming Monday. Remember that the submission day for this course is every Monday by the end of day. That is 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. In this video, we're going to be focusing on Monday, February 10th. So this is everything that I'd like you to work on, as well as the things you should be submitting for this coming Monday. The first thing I want you to think about is completing reflection 3. Many of you are doing a great job putting together your reflection. Keep in mind that these are just small notes and your responses to the material that includes both the course chapter and any videos, podcasts, extra links that you will find in the course readings folder. Make sure that you match up the topic with the correct chapter for the Difference Matters textbook. And that's the one that's showing here on the screen by Dr. Brenda J. Allen. It is a wonderful book. The content is really rich, and so I hope you're enjoying it. For Monday, February 10th, keep in mind that we will be covering Chapter 3, and your reflection will be due by Monday at the end of day. That is 11:59 p.m. Also, I will be assigning Case Study 1. This is your first case study in the class. It is going to be a multi-point, multi-problem case. So you'll have several things that I will outline you to do. Please check the assignments folder and look in the case study folder for the instructions and directions for that assignment. That's going to be due February 24th. I am making a change with this here. Please note that it will now be due on February 24th. It is not on the 17th. I don't want any confusion. You will have President's Day off. Finally, I want you to look and check the final project folder and start thinking about part 1 of your assignment. This is choosing a topic and things that you would like to focus on for your project. It is a multi-part project. This first part will be due February 24th, so you need to do a little bit of research and lock down a topic that you find interesting that you would like to teach your workplace about. You can find the full instructions and directions in the final project folder in the assignments link. That's all I have for now. If you have any questions, as always, you can reach out to me via email at sspates@msu.edu, or you can set up an appointment to meet with me virtually, or for those of you who are residents, actually stop into my office in Craig Hall, room 368. Wishing you a great week as always, and hoping you have a great day.